Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're not new, thank you for returning back to watch this video. In today's video, I'm here to just show you guys how to achieve the Victoria's Secret Angel makeup. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please stay tuned and watch till the very end. I've been seeing this trend on TikTok for a while. So this is me trying to achieve the look.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record, just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. I so blame bear more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm not to mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, and so they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question. No get the answer. What's up, we do? Yeah, go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know, see what you do. See when we go get a while like Sulesu. Got the one you console. Anything you wish me.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time. Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Going to rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey, the journey to us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall from my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the big road. One time, sit down in a class and we both then only see the road and we go on with the road. Third form is a very tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say I just saw down, saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, all in a live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the journey to just to the plus. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. But I toast to the friends that take off the road. One time, sit down in a class and we both then only see the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell you I'm sorry. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job. Read from me delighted. You know some person ignited. Got the music get me excited. Coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the journey that has to the clock.
So this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you watched till the end, make sure to leave a white heart below in the comment section if you watched till the very end of this video. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.